Are you ready to make money from YouTube, without showing your face, filming anything, or even editing manually? This is how thousands are using AI video tools to build cash flow on autopilot. Welcome to Digital Money Goldmine, your go-to source for digital income strategies. Today, I'm diving into one of the most profitable, beginner-friendly YouTube niches out there, AI video creation. This niche is absolutely exploding, and honestly, anyone with a Wi-Fi connection can get started. Here's why this niche works so well. AI tools are replacing editors, voice actors, and even scriptwriters. Creators are automating entire videos and earning thousands from YouTube ads, affiliate links, and even offering services. The best part? You can scale fast, crank out more videos in less time with almost zero technical skills. So here's your quick start plan. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate video scripts. Step 2. Plug your script into 11 Labs or Lovo to turn it into a natural-sounding voiceover. Step 3. Use Pictory, Runway, or InVideo to add visuals and edit your video, all with drag-and-drop AI tools. Finally, publish your faceless video, make sure your keywords are optimized, and don't forget a strong thumbnail. But don't just stop at YouTube ad revenue. Here's the real goldmine. Promote affiliate links to the very AI tools you use. Sell done-for-you video services on platforms like Faceless. Or revamp your videos into a paid digital course. That's multiple streams of income, all starting from a single video. If you're serious about building passive income with AI, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. This is Digital Money Goldmine, where I show you how to turn digital tools into real income.